Hello there! I'll show you here the 10 healthiest foods with absolutely no carbs and no sugar. Did you know that many foods that seem healthy are packed with hidden carbs and sugars that could be sabotaging your diet? If you're trying to lose weight, keep your glucose levels under control, or simply feel more energized throughout the day, you can't ignore this. You can eat guilt-free while transforming your health and well-being. Here's a challenge for you. Number 8 will totally surprise you. It's a nutritional secret most people don't even know. Stick with me until the end to discover how these simple, delicious foods can be the real heroes of your diet. If you feel like your energy runs out halfway through the day, have trouble losing weight, or struggle with sugar spikes and crashes, the problem might be hidden in what you're eating. Processed carbs and sugars are in almost everything, even in so-called fit foods. The good news? There are powerful, healthy options that can help you lose weight, boost your energy, and improve your metabolic health. Today, we're going straight to the point with a practical list of 10 foods that contain no carbs and no sugar. I'll explain why each one is so beneficial and give you quick tips to use them in your meals. Let's dive in. Number 10, eggs. Eggs are one of the most versatile and nutritious food you can keep in your kitchen. They're packed with high-quality protein and choline, which is excellent for brain health. Plus, they contain antioxidants that protect your eyes. Quick tip, how about a spinach and cheese omelet to start your day with full energy? It's easy, healthy, and of course, 0 carbs and 0 sugar. Number 9, salmon. Salmon is a true nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids that promote heart health, improve brain function, and reduce inflammation in the body. For a simple and delicious meal, try grilled salmon with lemon butter. Every bite is packed with flavor. And health. Number 8, lamb. Here's a surprise. Lamb is a rich source of protein and also contains healthy fats, including omega-3s. If you've never considered it, now's the time to add lamb to your meals. My suggestion? Grilled lamb chops with rosemary. Simple, elegant, and incredibly nutritious. Number 7, butter and ghee. If you love flavor and want to keep your food healthy, butter and ghee are your allies. They're full of healthy fats and vitamins like A, D, and K2, which are essential for nutrient absorption. Try sautéing fresh vegetables in butter for a delicious and nutritious side dish. Who says healthy eating can't be tasty? Number 6, shellfish. Seafood like shrimp, crab, and lobster are high in protein and low in calories. Plus, they provide iodine and selenium, essential for thyroid health. Cook up some garlic butter shrimp. It's quick, simple, and a fantastic way to enjoy a light, nutritious meal. Number 5, beef. Lean beef is an excellent source of protein and iron, which are vital for energy production. It's also a great source of vitamin B12, important for brain function. For a fast and tasty dish, try a grilled steak with fresh herbs and olive oil. Number 4, olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of sea salt over a salad for a simple, healthy dressing. Number 3, avocados. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, potassium, and fiber, keeping you full longer and balancing your blood sugar levels. Make a simple guacamole with avocado, lime, onion, and cilantro, perfect for a healthy snack. Number 2, chicken. Chicken is a lean, versatile protein that's great for building muscle and keeping you satisfied. How about grilled chicken salad with leafy greens and olive oil for a light, nutritious meal? Number 1, cheese. Cheeses like cheddar and Parmesan are rich in calcium, protein, and healthy fats, all 0 carbs. Sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese over roasted vegetables for a crispy, flavorful touch. Now you know it's possible to eat well, lose weight, and feel more energized, all without carbs and sugar. Small changes like adding these foods to your daily meals can create massive transformations. Every healthy choice brings you closer to the body and life you've always wanted. Best of all, you don't have to sacrifice taste to reach your goals. Now tell me, which of these foods will you add to your next meal? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more practical, delicious tips to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. And before you go, check out this video on 4 tips to stop emotional eating. click the link on the description and keep moving toward a healthier you. And also check out the link of the free ebook with recipes to help you cook all these delicious options.